Hi, today in this video we show you how to create a super cute bookmark in the form of a cat, and you can see here in a gray, and then this one is in white, and they are so easy to make and so funny. So let's get started to create these super cute bookmarks. Okay, we will need a piece of paper, and I suggest that you start with using a piece of white paper. So in order to create your to draw and trace your cat, and then after you can color the cat with a pencil or a pen, color pen. So we will use to trace this cute cat a pen like this one. Okay, and then we will start to doodle our cat. Okay, the head, and this is the body. Quite simple. Now we will create these, the two paws, and we will draw the eyes, the nose, voila, our cat is ready. Now we will need to cut our cat using a pair of scissors. Okay. Okay. Voila. The cat is ready. Now we will need to cut here around our paws, and then we will need something like this one. It's a craft knife, or this one with this part. We will trace this here and here. Voila, you will have this. And now with your scissor, because it's quite easy for me, but if you prefer you can go ahead with the craft knife. Voila, here okay, and then the other part here. And voila, your cat, it's quite ready. If you want, you can cut again, because I like that my creation are around perfect. So I'm a perfectionist. So voila, the cat is ready. And now you can leave the cat in this way, and it's quite nice to have So that's so funny. Voila. Or if you want, you can use a color pen. I will use this super brush that I like, and then you can color your cat in another way. In this moment I will leave it in white, and then after this video I will color my cat in another color. Okay, I hope you will enjoy this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.